In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on any PC without TPM 2.0 or secure boot errors. This is a step-by-step complete installation. No cuts, no skips, nothing deleted. So you can follow along easily and get it done without any confusion. I'm doing this in VirtualBox, but you can use the same method on a real PC. Let's get started. First, start the Windows 11 setup. Click Next. Enter your product key. Here's the issue. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install this version of Windows. Or you'll see this error. This PC can't run Windows 11. TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are required. But don't worry. We can fix this easily. Press Shift and F10 to open Command Prompt. Type this command and hit Enter. This opens the Registry editor. Now, go to H-key Local Machine and then System and Setup. Now right-click on Setup and create a new key folder and name it Lab Config. Inside Lab Config, create two new D-Word 32-bit files. One is bypass TPM check and set its value to 1. And another is bypass secure boot check. Set its value to 1. Now close everything, including the error message, and click to install again. Enter the product key and click Next. You can see no more TPM or secure boot error. Now, just follow the usual steps to install it. The rest of the setup is running without any cuts or skips, so you can see the entire process, step by step. And there you have it. Windows 11 is fully installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.